Herkese merhabalar, ben Hakan Erkan, İstanbul Teknik Üniversitesi Mesleki ve Teknik Anadolu Lisesi Elektrik Elektronik öğretmeniyim. Bugün 18 Mart, Pazartesi, şu anda Hollanda'nın Roermond şehrindeyiz. Roermond şehrinde Somul Vakfı'na ait olan 8 ayrı eğitim kurumu var. Şu anda arkamda görmüş olduğunuz bu eğitim kurumlarından bir tanesi Connect College'deyiz ve öğrencilerimizle birlikte teknik çalışmalar için, staj çalışması için buradayız. Connect College'in şu özelliği var. Somul Vakfı'na ait olan 8 ayrı kurumdaki teknik işlerin tamir bakımlarının yapıldığı merkez burası. İçeride teknik personelle birlikte şu anda öğrencilerimiz bu vakıftan gelmiş olan cihazların tamir ve bakımını yapmaktalar. 2 haftalık sürede genellikle binaların çatısında bulunan güneş panelleriyle ilgili çalışmalar yapacağız. 3D printerlarla ilgili içeride arızalı cihazlar gördük. Bu cihazların tamir bakımı yapılacak aynı zamanda. Bu alanda öğrencilerimiz yeterince tecrübeye sahipler fakat farklı modeller yine içeride gördük. Teknik personel bu alanda öğrencilerimizin gelişimine katkı sağlayacaklar. Ve eminiz ki 2 hafta sonunda Somul Vakfı'nın teknik personelinden öğrencilerimiz gerekli bilgi ve beceriyi almış bir şekilde ülkemize döneceğiz.
Good morning. I hope you had a nice trip from Istanbul to Act or Torun. You live at the moment in Torun. It's a small village. Yes. It's a nice village.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I saw also some videos from your teacher. You are working a lot of time also in your projects or studying. Yeah. Do you want to learn here in the Netherlands from us or in this school?
Actually, before we came here about your project and activities, it's all quite good and quite alright for us.
Yeah.
We wish to improve ourselves in here.
Okay. Yeah. Very nice. So we have in the school. This is a school with a lot of technology, and this is one of the 6 schools we have in our foundation. So we have a foundation with 6 schools. And one of the schools is this one, and we have a big hall where we do a lot of virtual reality, augmented reality. We have projects about electronics, and that will be also your case for the next days to develop something in the upgrading existing projects. Solar panels, it's one. It's about wind turbine. It's in agriculture, so that you measure the soil of the earth. And there is also a hydraulic car. And the idea is to combine this to an Internet of Things activity, so that it will be connected to the Internet, and that all the information you gather will also get available in the Internet. That's one of the goals we have. I spoke also to one of the, so we call them hybrid teachers. These are teachers, they are working also as a self-employed businessman. We could do to create some small examples of projects, mini projects for the students here in PLCs. And of course, if you are interested in virtual reality, augmented reality, we have the equipment of the glasses, and if you want to 3D print, we have a big printer and also the small one, but that will be something that my colleague, he's at the other side of the building, and he will introduce you to that part. Yeah. So that's what we can offer you in the school. Outside of the school, we can also visit some companies, different companies. A company about solar panels. We are at the moment have contact with them to visit them in the next days or maybe next week. the teacher was already in Rotterdam. Maybe that's also something. It's a big place, the harbor of the Netherlands, that you can visit. And you'll see a lot of automation in that part. And I can make an appointment with the Volvo. You know the brand Volvo? Yes. That we have a look how they sell the cars, what is inside the car, the electronic, the more and more hybrid and the fully electric cars, and how they support them after sales. That's what we can offer you in the next 2 weeks. And if you need more, just let me or my colleague René know.
Hi, my name is Mustafa. I'm 11th grade student and electronics. I'm interested about designing and electronic and mechanics. I working about 3D design on Fusion, and I make a 3D printed like a model. And my favorite job subject is for the project cars,
Okay.
electric cars. And I have a project team about electric car from Technofest. Maybe you know it's about the efficiency challenge. That's all.
Right? 80 cars from
Yes, electric cars.
electric cars. Okay. Yeah.
My name is Matt. I'm also a student at Electric Electronics class. I'm 11th grade. I'm good at 3D design, SolidWorks, Fusion 360, and also 3D drawing like AutoCAD. Also working in freelancer and part-time in companies for designing projects and cutting them in CNC machines, laser machines. Good at 3D printing, and also have skilled unmanned vehicles like drones.
Right. Thank you.
My name is Al. I'm also electronics department student. I'm interested in virtual reality. I would like to do some projects in Unity with my friend Ayman. And I also attended Technofest, but in a different type. It was about historical other things, about a mobile app in Istanbul. And that's it for me. I also want to improve myself at virtual reality.
Last night you were doing something with Arduino. Or
Yeah,
is-
I'm working
what
on
was it?
SPI 32 about SPI Now projects. Like for example, I have a RFID and also a normal OLED screen. I want them to connect to each other. Like for example, RFID, if it gets a signal, it will send a message to the OLED monitor.
My name is Emre. I'm 11th grade student. I'm electronic department. I like wind turbines and PLC and IoT.
Hi, my name is Eyman. I am 11th grade and electronic department. My hobbies are electrical car and battery technologies. I attend many competition for electrical car and Hyperloop technologies. This competition, for example, Technofest and Avrupa Hyperloop Week. That's all.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome.
Do you want to say something?
Welcome to Conneculated.
Connectors. Yeah. That's all? What's your name?
For now. René.
René. What's your job here?
My job is technician.
Technician of the solar panel
For the solar panel and
and everything.
everything.
Okay.
Of the chef of the hall. So if we need something about the technical department, we have to ask.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey guys, he's your chef, patron, boss.
Okay. We will look this week to the solar panels that we have on the roof. And we have some mini projects that we want to evolve. So we did them in another project. And now we want to take them a level higher into IoT. And yeah, that's where you can help us. Yeah?
I also explained about there's another group. I talked to Jeroen, and they have a lot of small pieces of PLCs to make mini projects for them if they are interested. And we have also the options to visit different companies outside of the school building. Yeah. So here. So we have to So otherwise we can use these three projects. So this, you can take them all if you want, to check it, how it's...
And repair it, and then
yeah.
add some features about IoT.
Yeah, some features about IoT I printed out. Also a list of possibilities.
These things are Arduino based, so at this time it's all with Arduino. We have to check if the connections are correct and complete, because there is some hobbying done by less qualified people. So we have to check it that it's okay, and then you can make it move. I think if you look into this, it will be very simple. There are two motors that connect to the sunlight, and 4 sensors. So if you follow the sensors and the connections, I think we can make it out.
So for every project we have a summary of what is meant by the project. There is also, I'll give you also the link to the website of Eco Team. That's another project we have run also with your school. And here are some upgrades you can make of, for example, the solar panel. A remote monitoring system, maybe that's possible. I don't know if, or the control by an app. You can use an app for that. So I will. This is also the farm boot, short description, and also the upgrades that we could use. And this is for the car, and this one is for the vent tracking turbine. So if you want to do something with augmented reality, virtual reality, there are more than how many? 12 Oculus
Virtual reality glasses.
Yeah. If you want to work with the Microsoft HoloLens, that's also a possibility, but I have to take it from my home. It's from another school. We can use that also. So if you want to develop something Oculus or in the HoloLens, that's possible. So you have the equipment here, you can test it here also. Yeah. The key is...
Yeah, I will fetch the key later on.
Yeah,
I will show you.
We can ask, do you want or not? Who wants to create an app with the augmented reality or virtual reality with glasses? Okay.
Yeah.
With an oven, make molten plates, and then you can make objects from these molten plates. So, but this is a project that has to finish up.
So that's Jeroen, and Jeroen is one of the hybrid teachers from 42 projects.
Yes.
That's the name of your
Our
company.
company.
Yeah. And you asked the owner of this one, or not yet?
Yeah. No.
No. No.
What's happened
Okay.
right now?
Yeah. But maybe you can fix that 3D printer if you want. Who's interested? Okay. Yeah.
I trust my students, they can repair the machine
Yeah.
because they can their own electrical car also, it's
Yeah.
mechanic system. And
So they
then-
make out of this a car. Okay. After this, it will be a car.
Oh, okay. No. I have three 2-to-go's and one Ultimaker 2. That's the big one. Yeah.
Yes, I know.
So when all the Ultimakers has to be fixed and maintained.
Okay.
Yeah.
It works or not?
I don't know.
Okay, okay, we will
Because,
repair, okay.
They were put here, and they were some time here, and now at this moment nobody uses them.
Okay.
And I want to put them back in order and go and use them again. So, but first get some maintenance. They are quiet for some time.
I'm feeling that now they are getting excited now. Oh my God.
So,
We can fix them.
The problem is a solution subject.
I said a minute ago, let's take all these information, leave it for a little while, and then later on this morning we are going to investigate which things you can do, and then take a pick and start up with some.
This one too.
No.
One,
No, because that is not ours.
Okay. These two.
These two, and I've got two. One Ultimaker 2 to go, and one Ultimaker 2. I have on
And
the other side.
there's here one more.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, I was. Is that the big one? Is that the 2 or the 2 to go? The 2, huh? 2. Yeah. And okay.
Yeah.
So you get four of these and one big one. Building. We did all the technical stuff, electricians, we did, and our school manager had thought we are going now for this project, and we cleared up all of the whole hall, and that's a pity. But you see some leftovers from that period.
You can also fix the guitars if you want.
They're not from me, so then it's also finished. But mostly they drive too deep, and then the nozzle is into the grid.
I worked the bigger ones for industrial type.
Here is a cutting machine for foley. You can cut stickers on the foley sheet.
This logo connect collect?
Yes, that's.
This is for the textile.
No, you can print something that you can here, and that's in the, for putting it on textile. So it gets hot, and you can put in the timer, pressure on, press.
agile manner. All of you? So what we can do is that we create a Scrum board. So every one of you know it's okay. Yeah. If you have these small post-it cards. So what kind of activities do you think you have to do for fixing that project? So this is, for example, testing the equipment. And here are the steps you can take if you are ready to do it. You take the card, this one, and then it's going to that, and at the end here, testing, and here. On that card, you have to describe what is the definition of done. So when are you satisfied? That is something that has been finished. So on the card you can write down, okay, we will test and we do all measurements, checking of the cables, we will check if the hardware is okay, and that could be something you could do for the first thing. We will get more of these, you can start with them. So put later on, related to your project, what you want to do today, and then we can create on the back of this board the background. So who's doing the farm board? Is someone who wants to do the farm board? If not, it's also three, and you will do the 1 2. Okay. So for the next, I think maybe 2 days. You will set your goals for them. Learn more about the project. The projects where you can find is www.elecomteam.eu, and you have to look for the meeting. Roermond.
Somul Vakfı'na ait olan Connect Kolej'deyiz. Somul Vakfı 8 ayrı binada eğitim ve öğretim hizmeti vermekte olan bir vakıftır. Ve bu vakfın Connect Kolej'de tamir bakım teknik servis atölyesi bulunmakta. Ve teknik personel öğrencilerimizi 2 nolu atölyeye götürerek orada yapılması gereken işleri tarif ediyorlar. Ben şu anda 1 nolu atölyedeyim ve burada tamir bakımı yapılacak birçok cihaz bulunmakta. Zaman zaman diğer okulları da gezerek tamir edilmesi gereken cihazları yerinde göreceğiz. Tamir orada mümkün değilse buraya getirerek yine teknik personelle beraber öğrencilerimiz tamir bakımı yapacaklar. Bununla birlikte okulların çatı katında bulunan güneş panelleri mevcut ve bunların tamirini, bakımını, yapılması gereken işler varsa yine teknik personelle birlikte öğrencilerimiz gerekli işlemleri yapacaklar. Ayrıca öğrencilerimizle teknik personel IoT konusunda bir çalışma başlatacaklar. IoT yani nesnelerin interneti konusunda bazı cihazların internete bağlanmasını, internetten kontrol edilmesini sağlayacaklar. Bu çalışma ile öğrencilerimiz IoT konusunda da tecrübe sahibi olacaklar. Eminiz ki buradan birçok tecrübeyle ülkemize geri döneceğiz. Öğrencilerimize iletişim becerisi, yabancı dil becerisi ve aynı zamanda teknik konularda birçok gelişmenin olacağına inanıyoruz.
Okay, after day one, I want to inventory what you done already. So if someone can explain what you did for the wind turbine.
I can explain. First, we, with my friend Eymen, Mustafa, and Emre, we did this project IoT in IoT Club in Arduino. We wrote a code about it, then added some boolean or integers for our project. Then now we can communicate with our wind turbine with our phone or computer program. We can do that. I can show you also the dashboard for our project, for example. Like there's an application of Arduino for IoT remote.
Yes.
If you enter for that, you can see your dashboards in your account.
Okay.
Like for example, if it loads, I can show you how to. Okay. For example, there's encoder part. For example, if you choose whatever you want, you can see how it turns on. And also, if you push the push button, it can turn. Yeah, force off. But now it won't work because we don't have SPI now.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
remote
Okay.
it.
Yes.
Also, we have a chart for that. We can see the rates for that. For example, if it's 6,000, it can be like that. For example, if it's like 2,000, it will go like that. We can see the changes from the chart. Like
Okay.
that.
Okay. That's very nice. So for tomorrow you need some parts.
Yeah, we have to print some parts.
Okay. Then we're gonna look that we get the parts printed and then we can go on tomorrow. Yeah. There is another project.
Let's switch the other thing.
Could you please explain me what
Yes.
you've done here today?
Alright. So today we start with the looking suggestions, and according to the suggestions we decided to switch from Arduino to ESP32
Okay.
because of the Wi-Fi and
Yeah.
integrate.
I can imagine that.
Yes, and when we change, it also came with some problems like analog inputs.
Yeah.
So we looked at GPIO output input dashboard, and we connected the outputs, but came from outputs, LDR.
Yes.
In Arduino, analog inputs between 0 and 1023,
Yes.
but in ESP it's between 0 and 4095. So
Yeah.
it's also tells us to this 10K resistors
Resistance.
are too much
Too
for
much.
the sensitivity.
Okay.
So tomorrow we're going to change that for, and also ESP32 just supply us to 3.23 volts.
Yes.
For the cell motors,
Yeah.
it will be better for 9 volt batteries.
Yes.
And everything is fine right now.
Okay. I can give you some power supplies if you need them tomorrow. We can look into the ESP
Yes.
and the resistors that you need. I have some A12 journey I have, so we can change them.
Except from that, software is good,
Okay.
almost perfect, and it's fine.
Yeah, you're a good way ahead, so
Yes.
thank you for that. And tomorrow we will look in for the parts.
Okay.
We
Thank
take
you.
it from there. Yes, thank you.